Alright, well, the storm has passed. The flooding has subsided, per se. Let's go see how bad it is back here, shall we? And then I had some stuff to do. Still working on the carbon here. Right? So as I was saying before, a couple more big piles, mulch there. See what's going on back here. Right. How'd we do? I don't know, right? Ooh. Huh. Alright, well, that'll do. That's gonna do. It's not stowing the fastest. Goose! Goose! Probably still be inside, but it cooled off enough that I want him to work on the pigs because it's really nasty. And this water just adds to it. Goose! Look at my orange trees on their little islands. Good job. I didn't know what I was doing here. Okay, let's go over to the pigs, alright? I'm gonna hold you the whole way over there. And you actually said, oh yeah. See what I'm working on here, huh? Carbon. Hey, pigs. Yeah, baby pig. Alright. Hey. Working on getting this carbon back there. Oh, look at that. Jeez, look at all that water. Man. Of course, I'm up front trying to get dry wood chips, right? With the tractor. Pouring down rain. Trying to grab the stuff that's under the trees. Okay. See what I've done already. Kind of filled this area in. Percent. Could use a couple more loads. And when you put the stuff in here, you can tell when you have enough because it doesn't like sink in too far. Oh, let me just say the water doesn't come over the top of your foot. How does that sound? Well, there's some areas around here that does, so I'm gonna take care of it. The big thing I came out to look at was whether that hose was turned off, and it is, so that's fantastic. That's what I was looking for. Everybody's hanging out over there. That needs some proper grading because when it rains the water just runs in to the pig pen. Every bowl is full. You know, these were all empty. You know what I mean? Even when you have put a load. See this? So, a couple more of those. All these were empty. Hey, pig! Oh, it's my pretty pig. Pretty pig. But these were full. I wanted to make sure this was off so I wasn't running the water when I go in the office. Okay. Let me put a little bit more carbon in this. Get back to you in a minute. On your marks, get set. Alright. So, everybody's empty. Even drug the tarp in there. You can see a couple layers, but it definitely needs more. There's nowhere near it needs to be. So we're just keep rinsing and repeating. I'm not even gonna shovel. Just gonna keep dumping like this. Just gonna stretch it out, go get the tractor, do some more. Hopefully the weather will have that. You can see we're done. Much better. See? I'm not sinking in anymore. Still sinking in, but staying above the water per se. Ooh. Right? No, not staying. Whoa. Yikes. Right? Wow. Crazy. Crazy. That's gonna make some awesome dirt, yo. Gonna make some awesome dirt. I need to get more in here. I need to get more carbon.